Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will be explaining you as a partner how you can fill up your invoice details, taxes, and set up the currencies and payment reminders. So let's get started. Simply log into your partner's account, go to customer plan section, and you will find one option of configurations over here. First thing is invoice details. In this section, you will be able to fill up all the information related to your invoice regarding your company name, address, city, phone number, email ID, even your company's logo, bank details, all that stuff you can add here. This will be visible to the customer when they will download the invoice. It's the first thing. Next is the taxes. Over here, you can add the taxes that you want to apply on the customer's account. All right. So over here, you can add the taxes. Like if you click on here, name the tax name, percentage or flat, applicable on export, yes or no, percentage, and save. So this is how you will add the text. Next, we have the currencies and payment reminders. Over here, you will get an option to choose the currency and select the payment method. So whatever payment method you have configured, you can select that from here and update it. So this is how you will be able to configure these three things as a partner for your customers. So that's all about this video. In case if you have any queries, please reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for watching this video.